Hi, welcome back to another one of my videos. Today's video, like I said in my previous videos, in all my other videos, it's going to be really special because this is really a truly special video. And in case you're not subscribed to my channel, please do. I need all the support I can. I'm going to give it back to the community really soon. So yeah, please subscribe to my channel and try to help me clock up a little bit more hours. Okay, that aside, hope you guys are doing good. As you can see from the title of this video, today's video I'll be talking about this FCE a dry back that I don't think I've seen any English related video on YouTube. In fact, I don't even think I can find anything on Japanese as well. I mean, there are like a couple of YouTube videos on the FCE stuff packs, but nothing on this one that I'm going to talk about. And okay, let's just dive right into the video. In case you're wondering why I'm all suited up and kitted up and all, protective and all that, it's not because the corona wave is nowhere to be contained. Japan is experiencing the fourth wave. Hope you guys in your country, taking it easy and not really being affected by coronavirus, suit up, mask up, and everything. Japan is experiencing, the latest fourth wave. And yesterday, the government of Japan just declared the state of emergency for like Tokyo, Osaka, and Hyogo, and I think 5 prefectures being affected now. So I hope you guys are, doing everything you can to protect yourself and stay safe. And in case you're wondering again why I'm all suited up and everything, I am doing this video of this pack, but this pack doesn't belong to me. I actually ask, if anyone wants to pick up this bag so that I can do a video for it. And my good friend, someone who helped me out in the past, Matt, a big shout out to you. Thank you very much for being so supportive of this project, for volunteering to pick up this pack, this dry bag, so that I can do a video. And because right after I do this video, I'm just gonna fly this bag out to Matt. So I don't want any virus or anything or any germs or any form of containment from Japan to get to him. So I'm wearing my Mystery Ranch mask. I had a hat, and it's not like my eyes gonna come out with lasers or like Medusa's beam or something. So yeah, my ears and eyes, they don't shoot out any form of poison or venom. So that should be pretty much okay, So yeah, I'm talking. Mask up, gloves and everything. Camera's checked. A voice recorder is recording. Okay, let's just dive right in. Okay. The pack is right in front of me here. There we go. This model itself, I don't think you can get it anywhere in Japan anymore. It's a previous model. They kind of updated this model a little bit. So if you can find a brand new one in Japan, I do highly recommend you pick one of these up because it's really cool and it's a really beautiful backpack. Okay, the company FCE, F/CE. I hope you can see it. FCE. That's how I call it. F/CE. I saw this pack maybe about 4 to 5 years ago when I was down in Tokyo one time, and it was in white in color. It was white in color. It was in one of the shops in I think Harajuku or somewhere along that stretch, and it's just so cool. And when I saw it, I fell in love with it. But I don't know so much about the company, and I didn't get it, because I didn't need a dry back then. But after having waited for so long, I finally decided to pick one up to do a video. And let me just talk a little bit about the company FCE. You can read on their website. I posted up on a link. You can check out, the link FCE and talk about and read out about their concept. Basically, it's a Japanese-based company that is based in Japan. They do have online stores, an online store in Japan here, and you can fish their items online, and I think they do international shipping. But with the coronavirus situation now, I don't know if they're able to send products out to your country, so you might want to check with them. So based on what I can read here from their websites, the FCE brand concept, basically it's like FCE stands for functionality, culture, and exploration. FCE combines functionality and contemporary fashion to create high quality clothing and bags built for urban exploration. Our design is inspired by global culture to share and enrich our everyday lives. That's pretty interesting. So the theme of the collection is one nation selected from around the world. We actually visit the country used as the theme. experiencing its lifestyle, history, art, music, and other culture using the inspiration we gain there in our designs. Our theme nation will change over several seasons. We also take great care with specs and function, as well as a high level of perfection as tools. We complete FCE products by adding images gained from traverse to functionality that helps you live a pleasant daily life. Wow, that's pretty interesting. Don't know if I can live a pleasant daily life. The main idea of our brand is technical fashion. Okay, we focus on style, material, and functionality. Each collection is inspired by a country. We travel around the country, experiencing life, architecture, and culture using what we learn in our designs and collection. Over the last 2 collections, we have focused on sustainability. Now 60% of our products use recycled nylon yarn. And each collection is inspired by a country. We travel around the country experiencing life, architecture, and culture using what we learn. And okay, that's basically, yeah, it's a little bit more you can read on the website. So this pack, yeah, we're going to talk about this pack today. Hang in with me, okay? Hang in with me. Yeah, it comes in this plastic bag. I fished this off a local guy here in Japan. It's brand new, unused, with tags. So yeah, let's just get it going. We get the bag out. Okay. And basically, yeah, this little plastic wrapper. On the inside of the plastic wrapper, there is a repair kit. It's, I don't know what it is called. It's some kind of like a dry line maintenance oil and instruction sheets to help you repair your bag hunting. This is to lube up the rubber enclosure in the bag. And basically, yep, make sure that is included if you buy one of these bags. Get that out. Okay. It's a rather big bag. It's folded up in half, so you know, like that, and voila. Oh, the camera, it's not really, I'm not able to capture the entire bag and from the angle of the camera, but you as you can see, it's really big and it folds up in half when it's being transported. But this is the size of the bag. Basically, if you fold up the top, you know, fold it down, it would not be so big. What captured me most about this bag is this little air valve at the front here. I don't think I've seen any bags with this really like steampunk style of air, you know, air valve right at the front, you know, on the back. And it's really simple, nothing to brag about. It's just a very big dry bag that has a really beefy closure system on the top. I think it's one of the most the strongest part of the bag. Yeah, this is the closure. There's a little tab at the top here and the bottom here, you know, on top and the bottom at the back of the bag for you to just you know, hold on and try to open it, you know, because I don't think it's gonna be easy opening you know, this bag when it's fully sealed. And I think this is like a Hypalon or something, I'm not sure. Yeah, basically this bag, it's very technical. This is the FCE. Okay, let me read the tag. I'm sorry. It's called the FCE, a no seam zip lock bag in beige. Yeah, in beige. The size is F, which is probably like free size. So from what I can read online here, there is no sewing involved in the manufacture of this pack. This bag is a fully waterproof. And it's constructed of 2 fabrics being stacked on top of each other using a special machine specially processed to create a seam-free joint and then combined into a single piece of fabric. Yeah, I think it's like I don't know, it's okay, the dry line. Okay, all this information you can read it on the product page of this. I'll post it up on the description. You can read it on the product page of this little bag. It says the dry line, no sewing and completely waterproof line. Pressure is applied to 2 layers of fabric that are placed in a special sewing machine, and electromagnetic waves are passed through them to create a durable seam-free joint. The special weld treatment causes a chemical reaction between 2 fabrics at a molecular level, so there is no separation or separation. The main material is Cordura 500 denier ripstop fabric, which is both waterproof and strong enough to be used. You know, Cordura 500 denier. I have it on my mystery ranch pack and a lot of my other military stuff, pouches and whatnot. They are very, very resistant to abrasion. And this right here, you can see it's ripstop material with the, you know, the squares and the checked. And yeah, Cordura 500, really, really durable. And as you can look around the back, front and back, basically there are no seams, no thread, no sewing, nothing. The entire bag is welded together like a very, very, very advanced futuristic backpack. Really cool. So the main feature of this bag, yes, is this air valve right in the front here. Basically, this is a dry bag. So if you put anything inside and you locked it up, nothing's gonna get, no water's gonna get in. So you can actually inflate and deflate this bag using this air valve system. So in a way, this also works as an emergency bag for emergency situations. Like, for example, most people who get this dry bag, you know, will probably either be using them in the city or using them where there's a lot of water. On boats, and you know, when you need to work near water, or you know, when you're canoeing or whatnot, you know. So basically what this does is you can basically inflate this bag by removing this air valve. Okay, there's this air valve right in front of the bag, and the tip of the air valve, there is a spring loaded mechanism on the inside. When you press it, it allows air to go in, but you have to manually, you know, blow into the bag to inflate it, or use some kind of like a, you know, air pump system. And when you press this the tip again, the spring mechanism is going to release all the air from the inside of the bag. And there's a little like a metal screw ring here that allows you to lock the the pressure to lock the tip, so that you don't accidentally inflate or deflate it. That's what this air valve system is, and that's how it works. So in case of emergency situations, you can inflate this bag and use it as a flotation device to save lives, not only your life but somebody else's life. And there are a lot of like a D-rings around that allows you to, you know, tie a paracord and throw in the water as a float or something to save somebody, you know, to save yourself in case you are in a difficult situation. So basically, yep, that's the front of the pack. There are two D-rings in the top here, left and right, and there are two more at the bottom of the pack here. Don't know what they're for. You can add accessories or whatnot to it. And then at the bottom here, there are D-rings that attaches to this clips that also connects to the back harness. There is a little tiny grab handle here with a little bit of cushioning, and this like I don't know, silvery beige straps here are made of seatbelt material. So I'm sure they have a really, really good strength and durability. It's gonna last you a long time. And all the plastic buckles that are connected to the bag, the clips, the D-rings, and every other plastic buckle that I see on this bag, it's a really high strength polycarbonate buckle, the kind of stuff that you see on mystery ranch military lines, not the civilian line. So basically, all in all, this pack, it's a very heavy duty backpack that I'm sure it will be really durable. And the back harness here, there is a little adjustment system here. Nothing like the Futura yoke of the mystery ranch, but it does get the job done. Velcro, held on by Velcro. There are 2 points of adjustment, so you can either lower it down or, you know, move it up. Pre-cut 2 holes, 2 at the bottom and 2 at the top. You can just move it around. Little drag handle, not really big, but you know, you're not gonna load like 50 kilograms in this bag, because you know the straps are a little bit on the thin side. So they are padded, like have this really a little bit cushiony neoprene or something material on it. There's a and on the back of it is cross stitch. I don't know if you can see it. It's cross stitch in the back. So yeah, that definitely adds a lot of durability to the pack. All in all, it's a really, really well made pack. I don't want to inflate it and roll down the top to have any creases on it to tie it down, but I'll pop a picture up. You know, you can see it in the picture how the bag will look like when it's inflated and rolled down, ready for usage. And that's exactly how I saw it when I went down to Tokyo a couple of years ago. So it is a very well made pack. The newer designs has a little bit more belts and whistles on the front, but basically the overall integrity and structure of the bag remains unchanged. You can pick that one up from the FC website. They do have a lot of other stuff on their website as well. A lot of bags, a lot of technical stuff, and as well as clothing. They do sell clothing online, but the bag, the dry line, the one with the air valve system is what really draws me in. It's so cool. It's so steampunk like. So in case if you guys are interested in picking one of these bags from FCE, please do check out their website. They have English and Japanese as well. Not really a lot of English, but not good enough to let you know what they're selling, you know. So they do ship internationally. Talk to them, you know, send them an email, contact them, and ask them any questions you want. If you want me to do more videos of this company, might want to find other products that somebody is gonna buy, and then I'm gonna get it here in Japan and to do a video before I send it out, because I would love to do more reviews, or I want to talk more about this company for anyone who is interested in this company, in their products. Basically, yeah, it's a really short video. Not a lot to talk about this bag. It's just big. There's no, hold on, okay. There are no internal organization on the inside of this dry bag. It's all like wax and smooth and everything. Don't know if you can see it. Oh, there we go. Giant interior. So when it's all loaded up and everything, it does look really beautiful. Not as only just a city urban style backpack, but also, you know, a bag that you can take probably to anywhere. But just that it is a dry bag design, so to keep your contents dry and safe. And basically, yep, that's it. The FCE no seam dry bag, is it? Yeah, FCE no seam Ziploc bag, not a dry bag. Yeah, and yeah, basically that's about it, you know. This is in a beige color. They do have other colors for this design, but I think it's all sold out. You can probably find used one or brand new ones. They don't really retail for like a lot of money. This one is like, I don't know, retail for 21,000 yen plus taxes, about like maybe, I don't know, about $250, $240 US dollars. So it's not really an expensive bag. And even though this is a Japanese-based company, their products are not made in Japan and made in a company, not a company. Their products are made in a country with lower labor costs. But I don't suppose there is anything to worry about where they're made in. It's very well made. Don't think this bag's gonna fail anytime soon, you know. So Matt, lucky you. I'm gonna get this bag sent out to you. When you see it, tell me how you liked it and everything, and take more pictures of it. You know, I'm sure you're gonna love this bag. It's so big. You can feel so much stuff in it. So yeah, basically, that's it. Thanks for checking out my videos. I'm just going to put this bag neatly away and have it packed and send it out to a very special someone, you know, Matt, who yeah, you know what I'm talking about. So yes, that's it. Thank you for checking out my videos, and once again, in case you're not subscribed to my channel, please do. I need all the support I can, and I'll be working on a special video that will be coming up soon. And that video, yeah, I'm gonna talk about stuff in that video. But in the meantime, yes, once again, thank you for checking out my videos. I hope all you guys are doing good out there, and mask up, stay safe, and I'll catch you guys in the future videos. Take care, and bye.